Hey there, so there was this question about the Roborock S7 Max Ultra not emptying and what you can actually do to fix the issue. So this person just wrote here, I had no clue about the mesh filter under the bag. Once I addressed it, the bag began emptying again. So the definite check, there is a tiny mesh filter under the dust bag. Rotate the black cap and you'd see it. Even tiny amount of dust, it will like not the whole system up. Make sure to use some air pressure or something to clean it up. So this is something that possibly going to fix the issue. I know it's a text version, but I would like to just like find the answer for your problem that you have. So if it's not emptying, there was this post on Reddit. And the last thing, there is a tiny mesh filter under the dust bag. Rotate the black cap and you'd see it. Even tiny amount of dust will destroy the whole system up. Make sure to use some air pressure or something to clean it. Hope this video helped you. I just want to make it like really quick and really effective on how you can possibly fix it. And I hope it actually solved the issue for you. So have a great day and goodbye.